Multi-unit stock item model. It having a simple unit, compound unit and alternate unit for the single stock item. It means so pieces and bundles and packets. It's measuring like bundles having a 15 packets and each packet is in a 24 piece. Same we have an example for that one bundle is equal to 360 pieces. It means 15 packets into 20. Now some scenarios should be like this. 200 pieces means 0 bundle, 8 packets and 200 pieces. The same scenario, another one is 15 packets, 2 bundles, 5 packets and 840 pieces. If 18 packets and 45 pieces means 4 bundles, 0 packet and 477 pieces. And simultaneously 10 bundles, 15 packets and 1 bundle, 3 packets and 18 pieces. Why this is comes here? It means when a customer wants to buy a different scenario like he want to buy a 200 pieces or maybe a 35 packets or maybe a 18 packets and 45 pieces, maybe a 10 packets and 50 pieces or maybe combination of all. I need 1 bundles, 3 packets and 18 pieces. So this at multiple unit transaction and simple tally is not possible. Using our TDL, we are just easy to work. Now look at it into the tally. Here we have a stock item. It's having a unit is a pieces, bundle of 15 packets is a compound unit and alternate unit is a 1 packet equal to 20. Now look at the transaction of sales entry. In a sales voucher, I was just selected any Anand, item number 1. First initially I was taken at 200 pieces. In tally I was entered here that we given a option bundle, packets and pieces. On here we entered a 200 pieces. Now at enter, automatically it converts the 8 bundle and pieces. Again another one scenario is item number 1. On here 35 packets we are going to sell. So customer want to 35 packets. On a tally we enter a 35 packets here. So now it's automatically converted 840 pieces means it also having compound unit again 2 bundles and 2.5 bundles. Not say 2.5 bundles, 2 bundles and 5 packets. So we have an enter. Another one is item number 1. So there is a scenario. Another scenario is a 18 packets and 45 pieces. Yes. Now we are entered 18 packets and 45 pieces here. So now here is a 45 pieces. Once it enter, it's a 477. It's automatically calculate and here below 1.4 bundles. Now is enter here. Another one final scenario is we are a combination of 10 packets and 50 pieces. So 10 packets and 50 pieces. Above that 18 packets and 45 pieces it converts into 477. It's having a 1 bundle and 4 packets and here in the below 10 packets and 50 pieces. It's a 0 bundles and 12 packets. Now having a rate of 20 rupees. And the final scenario it comes here, it's a combination of all our things like here 1 bundle, 3 packets and 18 pieces. So some customer needs that 1 bundles and 3 packets and 18 pieces, 3 packets and 18 pieces. It automatically converts where 450 pieces. Is it easiest way to enter all the transaction on here. So after the entering of these all things, now put it as CGST and SGST, we made the invoice. On invoice print, we can also easily mention that here how many bundles are given to you. So these are the bundles, packets and total measuring also given. This is a beautiful invoice. Comes to customer is also understand how much where a quantity is taken. Here is not only pieces, it shows the bundles and packets and pieces also. So at the final we have a report also. Now here in the display, on here packing wise sales reports. Now look at it here. So it's all the transaction, what are the items are sold and how much bundles or packets and quantity, rate and auto amount is should be shows here. It's a beautiful model for those having a multi-unit model. Thank you.